Hey friends, welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a no-bake key lime cheesecake pie. This pie is absolutely delicious and it's perfect for the summer. You'll start off with 2 softened packages of cream cheese, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get all that yummy goodness out of that can, y'all. Next, you'll add 1 teaspoon of key lime zest and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, you're going to add a half of a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. Mix your filling up until it's nice and creamy. Next, you're going to add 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip topping to your filling. Fold that in nicely until well combined. Grab yourself a 9-inch or a 10-inch graham cracker pie crust. I prefer the 10-inch. Now, if you can find the 10-inch, that's perfect, but you can use the 9-inch. Place your filling in that pie crust until it's nice and level on the top. Place that lid on the top. Place your pie in the refrigerator overnight, or you can place it in the freezer, whichever is best for you. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.